다른 거는 양갈비잖아. 안 되는 그 양말.
괜히 몇백 불 더 비싼데 그냥.
Check out all those 7.5s. 1, 2, 3. 991 AM. Oh, I gotta change it.
Good afternoon and welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 5 non-stop service to Honolulu. On behalf of the folks at American Airlines and your flight crew today, you know that we're glad you're with us. Our captain this afternoon is Mike Tippins, and he's assisted by Mike Rumberger and Dave Schrenka. Our flying time to Honolulu is going to be 7 hours and 55 minutes. Plan to cruise at 32,000 feet. Presently, the weather there is good. Partly cloudy skies. Temperature of 73 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 degrees Celsius. There's a 4-hour difference between our two time zones, and the time in Honolulu is just a few minutes before 9 a.m. Before we begin our flight this afternoon, we want to give your attention to the video screens located throughout the aircraft. We have a brief but a very important message regarding safety features found aboard our Boeing 767. Your attention, please.
난스탑이 아니긴 하지만
There are so many places to go in this world.
And so many airlines that can take you there.
So we thank you.
For making the journey with us.
Thank you.
We're glad you're here.
And now we'd like for you to pay attention to the following safety video.
First, please fasten your seatbelt. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. To open, lift up on the buckle.
We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, as turbulence can occur unexpectedly.
As we prepare for takeoff, please be sure your seat back and tray table are up and carry-on baggage is under a seat.
And at this time, all electronic devices are off. You will find our electronic device policy in the back of American Way magazine.
Smoking is not allowed at any time.
Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the lavatories may result in a fine.
U.S. law requires passengers to comply with all signs and crew member instructions about seatbelts and smoking. So that you may follow along, we have provided a safety instruction card in your seat pocket.
All exits on this airplane are clearly marked. Please refer to the safety instructions card to locate your nearest exit. Keep in mind, the closest exit may be behind you. On this airplane, there's an additional ramp located in a marked storage compartment in the business class cabin. Each cabin exit door and some exits over the wings are equipped with an evacuation slide. Some slides, except those over the wings, may also be used as ramps. This aircraft has escape path lighting in the aisle. Red lights or an exit sign will indicate you have reached an exit. In an emergency evacuation, leave all carry-on bags behind and quickly proceed to the nearest exit.
If the aircraft cabin loses pressure, the panel above your seat containing oxygen masks will open automatically.
While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, quickly reach for the nearest mask and pull down firmly to start the flow of oxygen. Put the yellow cuff over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Breathe normally. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Always put your own mask on first, and then help others near you.
Your seat cushion may be used as a flotation device.
Remove the lower cushion and put your arms through the straps found on the opposite side.
A life vest is located under the seat, between seats, or in a compartment between the seats in front of you. The safety instruction card shows the exact location.
To use the vest, open the cover by pulling the red tab or compartment handle to break the seal.
Remove the vest from the package like this.
Put the vest on over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and attach the buckle. Pull the loose end of the strap to tighten.
Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest, or blow into the red tube on the side of the vest. There is also a light that will illuminate upon contact with water. Never inflate the vest inside the airplane.
The crew will now be coming through to do a final cabin check.
We'll be back after takeoff with more information about your flight.
Thank you for your attention and for choosing American Airlines.
Thank you for flying American. We're glad to be your airline. We're glad you're here.
얘기하고 말이 안 돼. 에어라인인가요? 아니면
Richie, are you still recording? Jeez. Oh, is that the Mystery 319 that we saw earlier? I just scared myself. I thought I stopped the video. I thought I started recording. Yeah. That might be the A319, I'm not sure. That's a 767-300 there. That could be the Maui flight, but I'm pretty sure that now he's like done. I wonder why he keeps checking the flaps. Or the ailerons, I mean. It's like this time he checked them. Oh, here's the stinger. The stinger.
Wipe off your window. You got like a forehead print or something. Wipe all your windows.
Oh yeah, I see it. I can't really wipe it off.
That's the sticker.
Very interesting.
Just think of it, like the backside of a bumblebee. No, like a bee or a wasp has a sting. Stinger at the seat. That's what that is. Oh no, it's like that's terminal, but that's a stinger.
Wait, what? We can't be taken up. I know what we're doing. We're just gonna go straight here. No, we're going straight.
Oh, we're going straight?
Yeah. It's just the way the taxiway curves. Don't you west.
Well, folks, first off, good afternoon. Tell you what, Ford from the flight deck, Captain Tippins, well, first off, Baumgartner and Treka. We on our way for Honolulu here momentarily. This time we'd like to ask our flight attendants to prepare for takeoff.
We got over here in about 8 minutes. Push back to 8 minutes and 20 seconds. We're at this point already. That's really fast. Here we go. Made to the end.
함께 같이
See, there should be a 737 on approach. Oh, that's an A319. That could be another one of ours. And you're still recording?
Yes.
That's amazing. It's Sharky, okay. No, US Air. It doesn't have the shark wings. It doesn't have sharklets. That's just the regular winglets.
2학년 테이크오프 애가 한국인 오빠 모임이 있는데 모임 중에 한 명이 H 카드, 오클랜드, 주인 막 이런 거 안 바뀌었네. 머리 말하는데 그거 어디 또 냈다 왔는데
See how fast we rock it out. UPS. Alright, there should be some A319s. A little. Yeah, you should be able to see them. Here we go. We're rolling.